Here at Life Sciences Product Marketing on Demand, one of our favorite services to offer is parental leave coverage. Let's explore how it works. Finding out that you're expecting can be an exciting but stressful time for professionals. Most people feel anxious about telling their boss. Planning your leave and wondering if your position will look the same is a common stressor. LSPM is here to help. We don't directly replace you. We work with you and your team to come up with a plan to divide tasks between our team and your colleagues. We use our domain expertise to provide customized solutions that leverage our strengths and the strengths of your team to increase overall productivity. We schedule a time a few weeks before your leave to develop a plan and ensure that everyone is prepared and comfortable with their responsibilities. You can return to work feeling confident in your position and that all of your projects are on track. Sometimes a slow return to work is best. We can stay on to push projects across the finish line while you're transitioning back to full-time work. We're here to support all parents through this important time. Contact us today to get on our calendar. Thank you.